Hello, today we're going to take a look at how to connect your copy of Fluency Now to your Acculing translation assignments. First, log into your account on the Acculing dashboard. Next, click on your username at the top right-hand corner, then click on My Profile. When the profile information page loads, scroll down until you reach the Fluency Now server information section. From here, click the Connect Me button. Next, you'll see a list of 5 steps, which we'll be going through in this tutorial. If you need to come back to refer to these steps, however, this is how you'll find it. Next, what we'll do is click on the Download Connect Me file button, and that will download a CFG config file that will open up in Fluency Now in just a moment. Once that downloads, go ahead and open your copy of Fluency Now and click on Help, Connect to FluencyFlow. When we click there, you'll see a new window asking you to locate and open your Flow Connect Me CFG file. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Your username login is already listed. So simply enter your password, then click Connect. You'll be notified that you've successfully connected to FluencyServer.com, you're working on the server, and that you're now connected to FluencyFlow. Once you're connected, you'll see a FluencyFlow button in the upper toolbar area, and if you click on that, it'll launch a new window that will show you a list of all of your assigned projects. So when you're ready to get started on a certain project, just click Checkout and continue that process and begin translation.